Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase productivity with Trello step by step clearly. Start by creating a Trello account if you don't have one. Visit the Trello website or download the mobile app. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board button. Choose a name for your board that reflects the project or goals. Select a background color or image to make your board visually appealing. Now, add lists to your board to represent different stages of your workflow. For example, create lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Next, start adding cards to your to-do list for tasks you need to accomplish. Click on Add a card and type in a brief description of the task. Click Add Card to save it on your list. Once cards are created, you can add more details by clicking on each card. Include due dates, descriptions, checklists, and attachments to enhance task clarity. To prioritize tasks, drag and drop cards within the lists or between them. Utilize labels to categorize tasks by type or urgency. You can create labels like High Priority or Team Task for better visibility. To share your board, click on the Invite button and enter your team members' emails. Encourage team collaboration by assigning tasks to members directly in the cards. Stay organized by frequently updating the status of your tasks. Move cards from To Do to In Progress as you start working on them. Once tasks are completed, move them to the Done list for a sense of accomplishment. Utilize Trello's calendar view to see upcoming deadlines at a glance. Enable the Power UPS feature for additional tools like calendar integration and automation. Set recurring tasks to streamline your workflow for routine responsibilities. Regularly review your board to adjust priorities and add new tasks as needed. Consider using Trello's Butler feature to automate repetitive tasks. Stay consistent with your usage and check your board daily for updates. With practice, you will find Trello enhances your productivity significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.